back with another update now. Today we're gonna change it on. A couple of days now, I think about 2 weeks now I have a car and been busy, so when I get to do a lot of things. But I get one Jamaica logo flag, so we're good. So today we're gonna change it on. We're gonna drop a bumper and see what we can do on it today. So stay tuned for that. See? So what I'm gonna try to do, I get the bottom piece I pull off.
Oh, no, the kid is the bad doctor.
So I could access it on, but be a problem. So I will just drop a whole bumper now and call it a day. So I will just take off all of this. Take off all of this. And drop the entire bumper. So let me show you. Yeah, it was a hard task, but we are trying. So, see there. So we drop a bumper now. So, see Anna. Coming out. I don't know why it stays so, but we have to go check it out and see what I go and fit. See, Anna already 1 foot in it, but if that the on there work, we'll just stick to that the on there. But this I already want to put it on. The only thing we do is just send it back to Amazon. I'm just going to give one of my dog them if they want it. You see me? But this on I'm bad on it. But I don't know why now. Why not work? I just this one alone I work. I have to go activate it. Rectify and see. Oh you see it? Alright. Yo, your phone is things just happen. Make it hear it.
Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Thousand years later.
Alright, my side, catch free. We don't install this up. I'm gonna tape up down here, I just connect up it. I'm gonna try first time, first year, first tableau. New on. That's it. So, this. Success. So that's it for that video. I'm not gonna show no more until I have the bearings put on Saturday. I put on change the back bearings on Saturday and they disport them. But I make 2 separate videos for that. So stay tuned. Black and family.
Bone shaking and count and make the skull upset. No, done set. Back of the class, man, on a subject. England gal in the beam, I want rough sex. She pop the molly hard, but she no drunk yet. Drift the cone hard and make she get upset. Yo, I'm money on the subject. Yo, I'm money on the subject. Grab card, bad dad.